everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'll be preparing green chutney. Green chutney is a very spicy and versatile sauce that can be served with any kind of salty Indian snack including vada pav, samosa, chaats, sabudana vada and even parathas. Preparing a green chutney is very simple and it only involves grinding all the ingredients together. So, to learn how to make the most flavorful green chutney, let's get started. In a grinder or a food processor, add coriander leaves, green chilies, garlic cloves, roasted cumin seeds, dried pomegranate seeds, salt to taste, and grind into a fine paste. While grinding, add very little water and increase gradually if needed. Then transfer into a bowl and chill the bowl in refrigerator before serving. Check the description box for links to my videos for Indian snacks. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.